They tie the barges to the ship and bring the coal barges on side.
They have ships that blow themselves.
These guys don't. They do have them.
And that was kind of right up on it.
No, that one's got cranes on it there. Yeah.
No,
it can. Yeah, we do quite a bit of business with those guys. Yeah, they work off one cable, so it's pretty cool. What's that?
China.
Yeah, mostly Middle East. We work with a lot of the ship lines. What models are the flies? It looks so tiny on that crane. 56 yards. No, we're just gonna roll around it probably.
So guys, this is our vessel mooring area. This specific place is what we call B2. As you can see, on the back of the ship or the stern, we got a buoy. And with the vessel lines, we move the vessel to the buoy with ropes. On the bow of the ship, we use the anchors of the ship. So the vessel is there, it's not stationary, but it's on this place. The winds and the current usually come from the northeast, so in front of us. So the vessel will hit the wind will hit the vessel on the starboard side, and we create here on the port side a kind of a protected area where we spot the cranes for the operation. You can tell the weather that we got on this place, and once we get close to the side of the ship, it's more calm. So we use that protected area that the ship makes to spot the cranes and do operation. Usually we load the vessel with two cranes. One big crane like the one on front, which is Columbia 4, and the second crane, a smaller crane on the back, that's Columbia 1. Columbia 1 and Columbia 2 are sister cranes. They are Amclyde H24s. The bucket capacity is 15 metric tons, and the crane can load 750 tons an hour. The front crane is Columbia 4, that's an electric crane. It's also an Amclyde crane built in Louisiana. We built that crane back in, it came out in 2000, it's new, just built for Drummond. The size, the capacity of that bucket is 33 metric tons, and the crane can load 2,000 tons an hour. So Columbia, that crane is mounted on a slew bearing, 16 feet diameter. Columbia 5 is the same characteristics, but it's not mounted on a slew bearing but on rollers. So the tube, the pedestal on Columbia 4 is 16 feet diameter, and Columbia 5 is 32. But other than that, they're the same cranes. Columbia 3 is on another vessel. It's an H28. The bucket capacity is 25 metric tons, and she can make up to 1,200 tons an hour. So all these cranes combined, we can load on a normal day an average of 85,000 tons on different ships. We got 7 different buoys where to load vessels. On this area we got 50 meters of water. From here we load the handies and the Panamaxes, and in front, back on the ship, we got the different buoys where we load the Capesize vessels. We got basically no restriction. We got buoys with 22 meters of water, so we can load any size of Cape that may come. As a matter of fact, here we load on a rotation basis the biggest bulk carrier Capesize that comes to Colombia. We loaded for Israel with 186,000 tons. It takes on a Capesize with a combination of two cranes, it takes between 4.5 and 5 days to load. On the Panamaxes, 2.5 days. On this handy max of the handies, it takes 2 days or close to 2 days for us to load a vessel. So as you see, the crane will swing over the barge, grab the coal, the bucket stays for a couple of seconds on the barge to let any coal spill on the barge. Then when the operator sees that there is no coal spilling, he will start swinging over the crane deck and then to the vessel. As you can see on the crane, we got some kind of wind flaps that covers the gap between the crane and the barge and the crane and the vessel. So any coal that may spill on the bucket will fall either on the wind flaps or on the deck of the crane. And then we'll collect that coal and send it back to the ship, not to the water. Yeah, the cranes, as you can see on the crane on the back, we use big loaders or trucks, tires as fenders on both sides, on the vessel side, on the barge side, to protect any get a smash or collision between the crane and the vessel. We load 30 vessels a month, give or take. So it's every day one vessel comes in and out of Puerto Drummond. The crews, I was telling some people before, we work 12-hour shift. So once you get from 6 o'clock in the morning till 6 o'clock in the afternoon, they work in a rotation of 7 days on night shift. They go and rest 4 days. They come back 7 days on day shift, and then they go out for 3 days. So we work 7-4, 7-3. So we got 3 crews, 3 shifts of people. At any given time, here on the marine operations, between the operations crew and maintenance, we may have something like 125 people working here. On every vessel, on every crane and every vessel, we got security guards, they're contractors from the security company. They stay all the time on the vessel since the vessel arrives to Santa Marta to make sure that and none of the crew is allowed to come in